Next, I'm going to discuss about the ISO. ISO also play a very important role in this triangle. And ISO, also known as that International Organization for Standardization in the in every country. And in the photography, it is a different aspect. It is a different role basically play in photography. ISO basically use to increase the sensitivity of light into the digital film or into the digital sensor. When uh, aperture and shutter speed is not able to give you a sufficient light, then what it is needed, you have to increase the ISO, because the more ISO will increase, the more light will increase in your photographs into the digital sensor, and you can freeze a perfectly fine image most of the time.